Hi there, welcome to Cakes by Lionique. On my channel today, I will be teaching you how to make fluffy red velvet cake. The recipe for this are 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 3 eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon vanilla flavor, half cup of butter, half cup of groundnut oil, 1 teaspoon preservative, half teaspoon red velvet coloring, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Instead of half cup of butter and half cup of groundnut oil, you can use 1 cup of melted butter or 1 cup of groundnut oil, but I decided to use half cup of butter and half cup of groundnut oil, and it's gave me that fluffy and yummy red velvet cake that I wanted. To the procedure: to a bowl, add half cup of butter and half cup of groundnut oil. Add 1 cup of sugar, then mix properly until creamy, like you can see here. Then, to the mixture, add 3 eggs. Mix properly too. Then add your 1 cup of buttermilk. Mix properly. Half teaspoon of red velvet coloring and 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Make sure you sieve your cocoa powder before adding to your mixture to avoid lumps. Add your vanilla flavor, then mix properly. Gradually add your dry ingredients, which is your flour, baking powder and baking soda, preservatives. Make sure you sieve these before adding to your wet ingredients. Mix properly until well incorporated, but avoid overmixing. I repeat, avoid overmixing. Do not overmix. batter into your preheated oven. Make sure you preheat your oven before putting your cake batter inside the oven. Bake your cake for 45 minutes. Check with a toothpick. If it comes out smooth, then your cake is properly done, like the way it is here. Oh my god. Check with a toothpick. If it comes out smooth, then your cake is properly done, like the way it is here. Can't you see how my cake is looking so yummy and fluffy? To get more of this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share this video. This is Cakes by Lionic, where we bake with love, passion and sprinkle of magic.